I'm gonna take credit for mine.
No.
Good morning again. So I've been making breakfast drinks, keto drinks and stuff, and wanted to test some technology, and I like to be scientific about it. So as I said before, I prefer a little more power, and I've been using a stick blender, which I really like. Works really well. It's strong and it gets in the cups and mixes well, but it's a little strong. So Wendy got a frother mixer. It works pretty good. It's a little more powerful than I thought, but I'm going to do a semi-scientific experiment here. A couple of the kids want some hot chocolate this morning, so I'm going to use these really cool Garwin cups, these German glass. They come in double wall and single wall. They're really cool. I got a Kickstarter thing a while back. Beautiful glasses. You might want to look it up. So I'm only going to do a little bit because these are both pretty powerful. Don't you hate mixing cups that don't pour? And both Emma and Abby want hot chocolate this morning. So first we're going to stick with the the blender, stick blender, and how well it works. Makes great. It kind of pulls it down, which is nice. Doesn't push it up, and it pulls it down, and it mixes really quick, really simple. But it's a little bit of a mess. Luckily it's detachable and I can go clean it. Now the frother. This is the frother she bought. Oh, moly. That's way more powerful than I thought. Look at that. Actually, I can see the bottom of the glass. It pushes it so hard. I like that. A little strong. Very strong. I probably have to be careful if the cup's too full. And it makes it more frothy. I think we'll see which the girls fight over which one they want. So, 5 to 10 to 20 bucks for these. I think Wendy got this one for $8.99, and Prime and all that, because she's a super Amazon woman. But it's a great tool. I'm glad we added it to our arsenal. A little less than the mixer. Don't need to plug into the wall. Get one. This is worth it. Say bye.
Bye.